welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. And today I'm sharing a recipe of milk vermicelli, or you can call SEVIYAN ki kheer. For that I'm taking 6 green cardamom, 2 spoons of shredded coconut, 1 cup of vermicelli, this is roasted vermicelli, 2 spoons of sliced almonds, and 3 spoons of sugar. You can add sugar later if you want more. And here I'm taking 3 cups of milk and I'm adding cardamom in it, and I will let it cook until it boils. When milk boils, then add vermicelli, means SEVIYAN. These vermicelli are already roasted. You can take the unroasted one too. Mix it well and let it cook for like 5 to 6 minutes on medium to low flame. After 6 minutes, you see how it's boiling. So now I will add almonds and coconut, and I will add sugar too. Right now I'm adding only 2 spoons of sugar. I will taste later, and if I need it, I'll add more. And then stir well and cook for another 10 minutes on low flame, and then it will get a little thicker. When you see it's a little thick, then it's time to serve. So that's how it looks. It's hardly take 20 minutes but tastes really good. So do try this recipe and make this recipe for your kids. Kids will surely love this. And if you have any question, please comment below. And thank you so very much for watching.